In this video, I'll show you how to translate Google Docs documents. Google Docs has a built-in translation feature that creates a translated copy of your document instead of replacing the original. Google says you can do this directly from the Tools menu on a computer, and the translated version opens as a new document in your Google Drive. First, open your document in Google Docs on your computer. Then go to the top menu, click Tools, and choose Translate Document. A small window will appear where you can enter a name for the translated copy and choose the language you want to translate the document into. After that, click Translate. Once the translation is finished, Google Docs opens the new translated version in a separate window. That means your original file stays unchanged, which is useful if you want to compare both versions side by side or keep the original document for editing later. There is one important thing to know here. Google's help page says Document. Translation in Google Docs is done on a computer. On Android, the Docs help page specifically says that to translate a document, you should open it in Google Docs on a computer. If you are on a phone or tablet and need another option, Google Translate can help in some cases. Google says document translation in Google Translate is supported on a computer, and on iPhone or iPad it is only supported on medium to large screens in a browser, like an iPad or larger. On Android, for entire documents, Google points users to copy and paste the text into the Translate app. Another useful detail is that Google Docs also lets you change the language setting of the document itself. On a computer, you can go to File, then Language, and choose the language you need. That does not automatically translate the document, but it can help with typing and language-related tools. So the full process is simple. Open the document in Google Docs on a computer, click Tools, choose Translate Document, Name the translated copy, pick your language, and click Translate. Google Docs will then create a new translated file while keeping the original document unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.